The double shaft mixer is driven by a motor reducer. The two shafts of the reducer rotate, and the propeller on the shaft drives the material, which is used for humidification shipment in the thermal power plant, mining and other industries. So how is it structured, and how does it work? The double shaft mixer uses two symmetrical spiral axes to rotate synchronously. When conveying powdery materials such as dry ash, it adds water to stir and humidifies dry ash evenly. Powdery material, to achieve the humidifying material, does not dry ash
比单轴搅拌机复杂，利用两根呈对称状的螺旋轴
to facilitate the humidifying ash loading transport or transfer to other conveying equipment. It is mainly used for loading fly ash or similar materials with humidification in thermal power plants, mines, and other industries.